I have an unboxing today from Southern Bombs. The box is tore up. And I will say that, so I hope everything's okay. But I will say that I have been trying to get back to my old format of doing these unboxings where you can see my face. But I'm relegated to the bed now because I can't freaking move because my foot looks like a little watermelon. Unfortunately, due to that fall I keep talking about. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this and I'll be right back. All right, so here is the box. It's a little smashed in, but it's got pretty little hearts. Thank you for taking the time to put that in there. Hi, Ingrid. So this, by the way, is a mystery box. So I just sent her some money and told her, put in there whatever you'd like. So I have no clue what I have here. Thank you so much. So that was just a thank you card. And the first thing I see here is Fancy Lady Wax Melts. It's pretty. Wow. That's really pretty. Look at that. Let me see if I can smell it. Oh, it smells really, look at all this shimmer everywhere. It smells really good. I might have to throw this in my warmer today. Yes, it was poured on 710, so that's plenty of time. All right, next, what I got is, I think this is a little, what is this? Is this a bath bomb or I think it's a wax melt sample. Fruity Loopy. It's really, she does love the shimmer, I will say. This woman loves her shimmer. Oh yeah, obviously it's wax, duh. All right. And next we have Little Berry Wax Melts. Oh my gosh, that smells so freaking good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. And again, with the ridiculous amounts of shimmer, and I love them too. So what else do I have here? Yes, I saw this one online. This smells lovely and full of shimmer as usual. What else do we have here? Another gorgeous bath bomb. This one is called Bling Bunt Rose. I can't tell what it smells like. It's wrapped tightly, and it smells like the other bath bomb, so I think the scent just carried over to this one, but you can tell there's lots of colors in there. It's going to put on a beautiful show, as all of her bath bombs do. Honestly, I will say she makes the most unique bath bombs as far as the color show that comes out. I don't know anyone who makes the bath bombs like her. Unfortunately, I don't order from her a lot because, again, she's always, or I thought, sold out. But then I asked her, since I saw somebody had a bath bomb, I said, are you really sold out? She said, no, sometimes people just email me and then I'll, or DM me and I'll send them something, a box of stuff. Just tell me what you want. And I'm like, just send me whatever you want. Oh, this is well worth the money that I paid for this box. Look at this one. Oh, the shimmer on this. Starry Bunt. Again, I can't smell this one. That other one, just the very first one I pulled out, it has so much scent that it just carried on over to all of these. Beautiful. And then we have, look, this girl and her shimmer. It's just like, save some for the other companies. This is Sparkly Bubbly Southern Chic. Beautiful. Is this yes, I was wondering if it was like a body wash or bubbles, but it does say bubbly. And then when I read here, it says add bubbly to warm running water. I can't read it. The rest of it is so shiny. On top of your cocktail. Yep. Beautiful. Gosh. And finally, this one here, which is very cute. Hello, darling. Oh, I can smell this one. This smells amazing. And again, you can pick it up and look around and see that there's nice little colors in there. All right, so we had in my mystery box, Hello Darling, and I'm happy with every bit of it. We have the Bling Bunt. We have this thing that's making the whole box smell amazing. This is called, I don't think I talked about it before, Twister. We had, this is really worth the money I sent her, like for real. It's actually worth way more, I think. We have this one, which is Starry Bunt. It's a shame because I want to use these immediately, but I really can't because taking a bath is difficult right now. Getting in the tub, getting out of the tub, it's too much. We have this beautiful, beautiful wax melt called Fruit Ruby. Fancy Lady, which, combo on, look at that. I can't even do my videos right now because I got to stand up, put the tripod up, and I only have one leg. So, Little Berry Wax Melts. And then this gorgeous, gorgeous sparkling bubbly in Southern Chic. All right, guys, that's it for Southern Balm. And yeah, the box is tore up, but the products are perfect. So no harm, no foul. All right, guys, that's it. And I will talk to you guys on the next one.